Hey families, welcome to Calculus. I'm pretty excited to be here, and I'm so happy that I get to see so many of your kids again. I had them in pre-cal, almost all of them, and so for me this is a sort of continuation of a journey. I've seen so much growth, even just in the last month, of students as they went uh, through their high-speed review of pre-cal trig in the last month. We've started calculus now, and calculus is a little different. So, there's some little things like we need to be much more careful about our language and much more specific about what language we use. You can't just say the function or a graph because then I don't know what they're talking about. So part of part of this class's name is AP Calculus, and it's called AP Calculus because we want to encourage our kids to take that AP exam. I would say we have a remarkably good program here at Sabino. Um, on average, 85, 86% every year get a 4 or a 5. Usually 93 to 95% every year get a 3, 4, or a 5. And usually a little over 50% get 5s. It's an amazing program. And most students don't have to take Calc 1 when they have been successful with their AP exam. And what does that mean for you financially? Well, it means, I always used to think those AP exam fees were expensive. 90 something bucks. Are you kidding? That's a lot of money for a test. And then I realized it's replacing the 5 credit Calc 1 class at the U of A, which would run them about $4,000. So it's a great savings. And I strongly encourage all the students to reach for that. I've seen most of them doing that so far. I do want to tell you, there really is homework every night. We try and actually have flipped the class. So really what's happening is they're watching the instructional videos at night, and in our class, we're working through the homework sets. So please go into Parent View and take a look at your child's grades now and again, especially at the homework, and make sure they're keeping up with the homework. There are some students who, despite my nagging, are behind in homework, and we, ever since I inherited this class, we've had this rule in place, and I actually think this rule, it was put there for a good reason by my predecessor, which is the 70% homework rule. Students who don't maintain at least 70% homework at quarters, so at the end of first quarter, at the end of second quarter, their grade goes down 1 letter. And so I would definitely say that that's a good impetus to encourage people to get those homework points in. Um, yeah, I mean, and I've often seen that be a swing. If they put those homework points back in, they, could bring an F up to a C or a D up to a B. But if they don't have those homework points, they have that D, and then suddenly at quarter, they're down to an F. And they're really smart people. They're just not getting their homework in. Since we're doing much of the homework right up in class, there's very little for them to do at home except submit the homework. Though some people, I think, maybe aren't using our class time effectively to actually write up the problems as we do them in class, and that could be another issue. Please know that there's help. You don't have to remember your calculus. I can do that for you. You just need to encourage uh, your child to say, hey, Kukla, I need some help. And that can certainly be during our synchronous Zoom each day. It could be during office hours, at lunch, or after school. It could also be at night and on the weekend through our GroupMe chat app. And a number of motivated students have started already asking for calculus review sessions on the weekend. And I'm happy to provide them that support as well if they ask for it. So I'm reachable via email all the time, and I encourage you to reach out if you have any questions. Please let me know. I can't wait to help. These kids are going to do wonderful things. Bye bye.